In this video, I am going to tell you how you can disable ad blocker for a specific website for Google Chrome specifically. So this is my Google Chrome. I need to just click on these three dots and click on settings. After that, you can see in the left hand side, you can see privacy and security. Just click on this, and herein you can see there is an option of site settings. Just click on site settings, scroll down, at the bottom you can see additional content settings. Just click on this. Herein you can see there is an option of intrusive ad. Just click on this, and herein you can see this option is checked, so any site you visit can show ad to you. So just check this option. Ads are blocked on sites known to show intuitive or misleading ads. Just select this option, and that's it. Now all the ad blocker ads will be disabled. If you still face any problem, you are free to comment and I will definitely give reply. If you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.